To develop a static web page, we don't need database Java skills. If you know HTML, CSS, JavaScript and CSS frameworks like Bootstrap and JavaScript libraries, we can develop a static web page. But to develop web application, that means dynamic web page. Dynamic web page is called web application, because based upon the user credential or based upon the user action, the page will be different for different users. To develop dynamic web page or web application, apart from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you need some back-end programming skills like Java, .NET, PHP, and you should have knowledge on database. All the web page or web application, that means both static and dynamic. This application runs on a server. The server is a software which is installed on a machine. That server is called a web server. So once we develop the application, that means dynamic web page or web application, we should install our application in a web server. The web server is a software that is installed on a machine. The web server is capable of handling the HTTP request. Okay. As I already said, what is browser? Browser is a software which is help us to access web page. These are popular web browsers: Edge, IE, Chrome and Firefox. If you look at here, so I am using Chrome as a browser. So what we are doing, from here we are typing the URL. So when we type the URL, what is happening is, this is the browser, Chrome browser, which is making the HTTP request to the server where the IRCC site is installed. That means this IRCC site is a web application which is installed on a web server. So what will happen when you type something in the browser? It will make the HTTP request to the web server. That server will respond back to the browser as a HTTP response. Okay. The popular web server in Java are Apache Tomcat, Glassfish, BE and WebSphere. These are popular servers. I said dynamic web page or web application is more interactive. That means it will allow you to, if you look at here, let's assume that I would like to find what are the trains are running from Madurai to Chennai in a particular date. So what I will do, I will choose some date here and I will choose Madurai. So when I search here, what it will do, it will return list of trains available which is running from Madurai to Chennai on the particular date. Okay. So these are the trains available. So after that, what we can do, we can choose a particular train and we can, so it is asking the credential to book the ticket. So most of the case, web application, to use web application, we should register in the web application and we should create credential for us. So to use web application, we should have credentials to use it. And this is our Indian site which helps us to book a ticket. Similar to that, we have Flipkart.com. This is e-commerce web application where we can buy things. If you see here, it will allow us to search the products. Let us assume that I need to buy a laptop. So if you search laptop, it will list you all the available laptops. So I can purchase anything which is available in the particular web application through which we can buy the products. So if you look at here, these are, if you this one and this one, these are web application, dynamic web page. So based upon the search, it is listing. But as I already show you, if you any college website or school website, they saw that are web page. It's not a web application. That reason is it does not have any searching facility. It does not have any authentication information. So wherever if you access a particular site, it will only provide the information, not an interactive application. But whereas if you look at here, this web application and this web application is interactive. That means based upon your action, the page is dynamic. Okay. So we can develop web application in multiple ways. One is we can use Java technology or .NET technology or PHP, Python. We can choose as a backend. Front end, what we will do is we need to use HTML, CSS or some JavaScript libraries. Along with JavaScript libraries, we need to use. Okay. In the next session, what I am going to tell you is how to install Java on your machine. So first we will start from core Java and we will start to learn server JSP, database and Spring. Okay. Thank you.